in the way they have with no response from leadership, I can tell you, your answers today are unsatisfactory. So if you're dedicated to fixing the culture of the Marines and all the services, what do you plan to do to hold commanders responsible who fail to get this done?
If I were aware, I would expect that any commander was aware if someone was reported any allegation of anything, but particularly something as serious as sexual assault, and the chain of command didn't do anything, that commander would be held accountable. I'm still in the process. I mean, I don't have a good answer for you. I'm not going to sit here and duck around this thing. I'm not. I'm responsible. I'm the commandant. I own this, and we are going to have to, you've heard it before, but we're going to have to change how we see ourselves and how we treat each other. That's a lame answer, but ma'am, that's the best I can tell you right now.
Serve alongside each other when they are capable of doing the work for our country?
Yes, Senator, I can. I think you hit on the point that no standards are changed. The standards are the standards, and when people meet the standards...
I'm not going to reveal what our requirements are for submerged endurance. That is classified, but...
I don't think it's classified because actually
Senator Hanson, you don't get to make the call on what's classified and unclassified in this conversation.
So you can't...
Rear Admiral?
So you can't disclose which is knowledge of how long a diesel can stay underwater compared to what a nuclear sub can stay underwater.
A diesel-electric submarine can stay underwater depending on the way it's designed. So that refers to matters about the size of the battery, the manner in which the hotel load, which is the power...
Having, I don't know if with the change in legislation or something, I guess we'd have to go through statute, but to allow different advocacy groups to receive maybe that information, to be able to pass it along to friends and family of those individuals that are dealing within the system.
That is one of the that is one of the areas of concern, because obviously any deemed medical information, we're restricted just like anyone else to HIPAA and those type things. And when you talk about someone who's in the military who is a legal adult, what is the obligation to share any of that information with the family? And we're trying to bring the families into this more. When we do these yellow ribbon events, when we do these pre-deployment events, when we bring families in, and we do post